this video, let's talk about it is safe to run forward wheel spacers.
To tell the truth, forward wheel spacers are exactly safe. They're mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hub. The vehicle wheels are actually fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each vehicle hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the weight of the vehicle is not placed on any forward wheel spacers that are installed. Whether it is F-150, Explorer, Mustang, or Maverick, half-century forward wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, half-century wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection and the lugger bolt can hold it first against the mounting plate. These forward wheel spacers allow the wheel to better support the weight of the vehicle and fill the gap for a tight fit, providing the minimal change of vibration. Quality forward wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many forward wheel spacers are made of the aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum forward wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide a long service life. Selecting the best forward wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. Bonus forged multi-stage half-century forward wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The half-century metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the forward wheel spacers and the safer your driving will be. Thus, bonus forged multi-stage half-century forward wheel spacers will effectively reduce the change of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, bonus FT cooling forward wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. This groove allows the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of forward wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, bonus forged FT cooling forward wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.